I thought I have a deep understanding of the product.
Once again.
But apparently not. This year marks the 12th anniversary of our company. It's my honor to introduce our team to you.
Hello, I'm Jay, one of the founder of Itop Kitchen. 12 years ago, our company set up, and my daughter only 4 years old. And 12 years passed. We have 2 daughters and one very passionate sales team to support our customer. In the past 12 years, when I really thank you our customer, the trust and support.
Hello everyone, this is Ilya from Itop Kitchen.
This is Kiwi from Itop Kitchen.
Yeah, I'm born in 90s.
I born in 80s, very young, right?
Yeah, looks very young. And we are
good partner.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Jason from Itop Kitchen, which is a professional kitchen equipment supplier with more than 15 years experience.
Hello friends, I'm Janice and I'm the local people, and I'm very happy to take part in the Guangzhou Itop Kitchen's conference.
Hello everyone, I'm Joyce, the seller from Itop company for more than 10 years. I also like to grow flowers. So our office have many flowers, so we have to continue to extend our activities to provide better service to our customers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Suena from Itop Kitchen. I love this job because I can face different countries' clients, and I can know there are many new things happens every day, so that I can keep learning, and I can share difference to my peoples around me.
Hi, this is Wesley from China Itop Kitchen. My job is to provide the right products and services to our customers. And I'm proud that my work can bring very important value to our customers all over the world.
Hello， 我是 Shelly。Hello，
我是 Emily。Hello， 我是慈。
大家好，我是 BB。
我是 King。
我是 Carlos。
大家好，我是 Wendy，
我是 Lily，
我是丹。
我们的主要市场有韩国、东南亚，
还有英国，还有澳洲，
还有俄罗斯跟欧洲。
大家好，我们是采购部门的，我是 Lisa，
我是 Kiko，
我是 Cassie。
I want to express my gratitude to who has contributed to Itop. Let's together to impress the more challenge and opportunity in the future and move forward together.